energy development is becoming increasingly important to more and more people as we explore new ways of extracting resources and getting them to market. But the law has not always kept up with these developments, leaving many people feeling left out. Researchers at the University of Calgary are looking at ways to ensure the public concerns can be heard.
The legal system is still based on, from an era when energy development was not as intense as it is today, and it really hasn't been amended to address the fact that energy development is more contested now than it used to be and has a much broader impact on the landscape, and it's attracting a lot more interest.
So why is the system designed that way?
The law has inherently always preferred to hear from persons who can demonstrate they are directly and immediately affected by something. And a lot of what the public wants to contribute to these discussions has more to do with broader goals on sustainability or environmental protection or social infrastructure. It isn't designed to allow those sorts of concerns to funnel into the project approval process. On the one hand, you've got the project approval process, which attracts all of these concerns. On the other hand, the agency has limited jurisdiction to really address some of those concerns.
Tell us about some of your findings.
My research findings on public participation is that over the last several decades, the law has really evolved to narrow the entitlement to participate. In the early to mid-1990s, there was a concerted effort to start to interpret and pass laws that really narrowed the entitlement for the public to engage.
Tell us about the Public Interest Law Clinic.
Well, the Public Interest Law Clinic is designed to take on cases that will address some systemic issue in the law. We've identified public participation in energy project decision-making as one of those systemic issues. And so we are looking for cases that provide an opportunity perhaps to engage with the legislature on statutory reform to the existing rules, or cases that may provide an opportunity to use the judicial system to argue that existing laws should be interpreted differently or applied differently in light of current circumstances.
What kind of research or learning opportunities are there for students at the clinic?
The clinic relies and uses students registered in our program to do as much of the legal work as they possibly can. And so that might involve engaging in a law reform process or working through a case before the courts. It also provides students with an opportunity to engage in public interest issues.
Check out our website to learn more about the important research we're doing on energy and the environment.